On the sides of this box, I am going to hot glue on this happy birthday paper. So there's one piece of it, and this is a little long or a little wide, you can see here. So I'm just gonna trim this up, and then when I get done, I'm gonna put a towel over this and iron it a little bit to try to get some of those creases out of the paper. I don't know that that will work, but I'm gonna try to get some of those creases out of the paper. But right now, I'll just trim this off, and it's hot glued on, so I'll just trim that off, hot glue this piece, and then do it down there and 2 pieces on the other side. And then the sides will be decorated and we can start on the front. So these are the things that I bought to stuff the cups with. We have some little coloring book pouches. It has crayons and a coloring book. We have some Play-Doh, some games, coloring pencils and paper, some 2 of these little things. I'm not sure. I just picked up a bunch of toys that were good for a 3-year-old. Some Blue's Clues, some Teddy Grahams, some fruit snacks, and some lollipops. And these are going to be an assortment inside the red Solo cups before we move on to the next step. Okay, I've got everything unpacked and ready to go into the cups. This one I've already done. It has this little toy in it. It has a toy in it. It has a lollipop, and it also has a fruit snack. So you just stuff these in here like this. Just stuff it in. Stuff that in. A lollipop. I'm going to get all these stuffed, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. This is going to go on top of the cup like this. And I'll hot glue that down. I think I'm going to double it. Wonder how easy it'll break if I double it. It might not break easy. And they're only 3, so I probably won't do that. Let's just do 1 piece. Now what I'm going to do is place it on top of the cup like this. Just like that. I'm going to run hot glue around the cup, put this on, and do that to all of these. Take all of the red Solo cups put hot glue on the bottom of them and hot glue them to this board. I think I burned my hands 42,000 times just then. But anyway, so what we do is we take the cup, hot glue the bottom of it, and stick it on the board. And it looks kind of plain right now because, well, it is. But I have some things to decorate it with. But I need to get these on first and then do the decorations next. What I decided to do was use mounting tape because some of these have Play-Doh in it and they're a little bit heavy. So I'm just taking the tape and placing it on the bottom of the cup like this, and then putting it right on the cup where, or on the cardboard where it goes, like that. And now I'm going to run around this edge. You can see there where the edge is, there's a little space. I'm just gonna run around that with the hot glue gun, just to make sure that it, you know, give it an extra layer of security so it will stay on the box. Next step, I put down the roadway on here, and then these little white pieces, the lines going down the road, I'm using my paper cutter and just some regular printer paper and cutting that and making the road. And then I have all of these little cars that I'm going to attach to the road. Okay, here you have it, the punch board game. So what the kids will do is they'll all get in a line, and I think there's going to be 5 kids. So we did 15 cups. So that way each child can have at least 3 cups of prizes. Princess. We have this little alligator guy. I don't know what he is. There's another little convertible and a little race car. So there'll be little boys and little girls both at the party, so there's something for everyone. But in the morning, after, I wanted to lay this flat until in the morning so all the hot glue can dry. So in the morning I will stand it up and then show you what it looks like stood up. But I think it turned out pretty good.